Hey there, it's so great to meet you. And I'm Coach Lorianne, and I wear many hats. I'm an award-winning success coach and strategist, inspirational speaker, author, radio show host, and visionary. And it's been an incredible journey to get here. And I'm truly passionate about what I do. You see, I'm the founder and creator of Take Action with Jet Propulsion, a platform where I empower, educate, inspire, and ignite people like you to take bold and decisive action in pursuit of your personal and professional goals. It's all about igniting that spark within you to make things happen. I firmly believe that transformation starts from within. So my approach begins with breaking free from limiting beliefs and building unshakable confidence. Together, we'll create actionable plans that move you from a place of confusion to absolute clarity. Your dreams are big, and I'm here to help you achieve them. My dedication and unwavering support are always by your side throughout this incredible journey. And together we'll unlock your full potential, and you'll experience a profound transformation that sets you on the path of greatness. So if you're ready to embrace the road to your greatest achievements, I'd be thrilled to be your partner in success. So join me as we embark on this empowering journey, and together we'll make magic happen. Let's ignite your passion and purpose, and I'll be the catalyst for your incredible success.